Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salo. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. So on the previous episode of Wodumo, Babes made a shocking revelation that Mampintsha has been stealing her money. So Babes spoke to her Pastor Dube and revealed that Mampintsha fraudulently signed for her royalties so that Babes' royalties can be paid in his account and not hers. Babes also said Mampintsha sold her Instagram account to some company without her consent and knowledge. She further went on to shock us when she mentioned that Mampintsha has been using a lot of her money without her knowledge. She said she suspects that some money Mampintsha has been embezzling from her, he used it to pay for his side chick's university fees because there are rumors that he is even putting the side chick to school, you guys. Now that's it rather for this story. Please do let me know what you think in the comment section below, and also subscribe if you have not yet done so, guys. I shall surely see you on my next upload.